as I mentioned, it's a lot of wax, but also dead skin. Let's just tease this out gently. Stuck in the canal wall, I'm just going to loosen that.
I have been trying to do the olive oily bit, but it's horrible.
Yeah, I can see that your ear's slightly oily.
Yeah, it's dreadful.
Block my tube. So that echo sensation that you're experiencing, it's what we call occlusion. In the same way, sound can't enter the ear because of the wax and dead skin. Internal sounds, so respiratory sounds, your own voice, chewing sounds, they get trapped inside your head. So they can't escape, so it's almost like an echo, a barrel effect. So I've got one piece out there. You feeling okay?
Yeah.
That's good. I can just feel this piece of wax is adhered to the canal wall further back because it's not sucking out. It doesn't want to come out at all. Let's wiggle it. The key is to do it really slowly because otherwise we want to loosen that skin adhesions because I could feel it when I was sucking it. I could feel it was attached to the back of the ear canal.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can see it's a large lump there. It's kind of two lumps together. Seen a lot worse, but yeah. Let's see whether all this is out for you. Yeah. That's nice and clear, just got a bit of some hair. Fantastic, all done. How are you feeling?
Yeah, that's fine.
I feel a bit lighter.